China is exporting something new to the world economy, that is fear. Global investors are quaking over the prospect of a devastating slump in the world's second biggest economy, and they're fast losing confidence that China's policymakers, seemingly so sure-footed in the past, know how to solve the problem. The worst-case scenario is that a collapsing Chinese economy would derail others around the world, from emerging markets in Chile and Indonesia to industrial powers such as the United States, the European Union, and Japan. This year, the International Monetary Fund expects China's economy to grow 6.8%, which would be its weakest pace since 1990. China, which was posting double-digit growth in the mid-2000s, is trying to engineer a daunting transition from overheated growth based on exports and often wasteful investment to slower growth built on consumer spending. Beijing had cushioned its economy during the 2008-2009 financial crisis by ordering state-owned banks to ply companies with loans to build roads, houses and factories. The result? An escalation of corporate debt that's now feeding the country's problems. The Chinese authorities also made the misguided decision to talk up stock prices, encouraging inexperienced investors to buy shares. The idea was that companies could issue stock into a rising market and use the proceeds to reduce their debts. But stocks rose to unsustainable levels and then crashed. The government has since been trying in vain to clean up the mess. The latest trouble started on August 11 when Beijing unexpectedly devalued China's currency, the yuan. Also suffering is Japan, which sends about a fifth of its exports to China. Germany would likely absorb the most pain. Over the past decade, German makers of industrial machinery and autos have boosted sales and profits thanks to China's strong growth. In 2013, China overtook the United States as the largest market for luxury car maker BMW AG. BMW has been cautioning that the Chinese market is enduring a normalization and that lower growth is to be expected.